Hello everyone, welcome back to Choice to Learn. What if I told you that you don't need to spend hours cleaning your house to make it feel completely different? One woman discovered this after reaching a point where she was tired of cleaning, tired of organizing, and tired of waking up to the same mess every morning. She didn't buy expensive organizers. She didn't hire anyone to clean her home. And she didn't throw away everything she owned. Instead, she decided to change the way she lived in her home, one small habit at a time. At first, the changes seemed almost too simple to make a difference. But within a few weeks, something began to change. Not only did her home look different, she felt different too. And it all started one ordinary morning when she heard a question from her daughter that she couldn't stop thinking about. Every morning, Nadia woke up with the same thought. I have so much to do. Her house wasn't dirty. It was just everywhere. There were toys under the sofa, school bags near the dining table, clothes on chairs, dishes waiting in the kitchen, and little things scattered across every room. Nadia had 2 children, a busy husband, and a long list of responsibilities. She often cleaned for hours. But somehow, the house became messy again by the evening. One morning, after cleaning the kitchen for nearly an hour, Nadia heard her daughter call from the bedroom. Mom, I can't find my school shoes. Nadia closed her eyes. Check under your bed. They're not there. She walked into the bedroom and found clothes, books, and toys everywhere. Her daughter looked at her and said, Mom, why is our house always messy? The question stayed in Nadia's mind all day. That evening, she didn't clean. Instead, she sat quietly and thought. Maybe the problem wasn't that she wasn't cleaning enough. Maybe the problem was that everything didn't have a place. The next morning, Nadia decided to change one thing. She started with the entrance. She placed a small basket near the door for keys and other small items. Shoes were kept in one place, and school bags had their own spot. It took less than 10 minutes. But that tiny change made mornings easier. Then she made another rule. Whenever someone used something, it had to return to its place before they moved on to something else. At first, the children complained. Why do we have to put everything away? Nadia smiled. Because this is our home. We all live here, so we can all take care of it. Slowly, they started helping. Her son put his toys away. Her daughter arranged her books. Even her husband began putting his things where they belonged. Then Nadia introduced something new. Every evening, before dinner, the whole family spent 10 minutes resetting the house. No phones. No television. Just 10 minutes. They picked things up, wiped surfaces, folded blankets, and returned everything to its place. It wasn't perfect. Sometimes they forgot. Sometimes they were too tired. But they kept going. A few weeks later, Nadia noticed something surprising. She was cleaning less than before. Yet the house looked better. She realized why. She had stopped trying to clean the whole house after it became messy. Instead, everyone was preventing the mess from becoming overwhelming. One Saturday, Nadia opened a cupboard that she hadn't touched in years. Inside were old containers and used kitchen tools, broken items, and things she had completely forgotten about. She looked at everything and asked herself, would I buy this again today? The answer was no. So she began letting things go. Not everything. Only the things that no longer served a purpose. The cupboards became easier to use. The kitchen felt bigger. And Nadia felt strangely lighter. One evening, her daughter came into the living room. Mom? Yes. I like our house now. Nadia smiled. Why? Her daughter looked around. Because everything feels calm. Nadia didn't say anything for a moment. She realized that this was what she had been searching for. Not a perfect house. Not a house that looked like a magazine. Just a home where her family could feel peaceful. That night, after everyone went to bed, Nadia walked through the quiet rooms. The shoes were lined up near the entrance. The toys were in their basket. The kitchen was clean. The blankets were folded. She stood there for a moment and smiled. The house hadn't changed overnight. Her family hadn't suddenly become perfect. They had simply changed a few small habits. And those habits had changed the feeling of their home. Nadia finally understood something. A clean home isn't created by one exhausting cleaning day. It's created by small actions repeated every day. Put something back. Let go of something unnecessary. Clean a little before the mess grows. And most importantly, make everyone responsible for the space they call home. From that day forward, Nadia stopped saying, "I have to clean the whole house." Instead, she started saying, "Let's take care of our home." And somehow, those few words changed everything. If you liked this story, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Choice to Learn for more inspiring stories and simple ideas that can make everyday life a little better. And remember, you don't have to change everything at once. Sometimes, one small habit is enough to begin changing your whole life. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next story.